friends, according to this expression, we must follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First, we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stands for of, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, we solve brackets. The operations inside the parentheses are always prioritized first. So first there will be 5 plus 5 equals to 10, and now the expression becomes 5 minus 5 multiplied by 10 divided by 5. Now second step, division. So division comes before multiplication and subtraction in Bodmas. So first we divide the values. 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. So now the expression becomes 5 minus 5 multiplied by 2. Now, third step, multiplication. So, according to multiplication must be performed before the final subtraction. So, 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10, and now expression becomes 5 minus 10. So, now the fourth step, subtraction. The final step is to subtract product from the initial value. So, 5 minus 10 equals to minus 5. So, the larger digit have a negative sign. So, the answer will be minus 5, and minus 5 is the final result. According to this expression, by strictly applying the order of operation, we ensure that the mathematical logic is sound. Skipping a step or performing the subtraction first would lead an incorrect answer. So the answer, the final result of this expression is minus 5, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.